Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
All right, guys, here in front of you is a 2019 Hyundai Elantra SE. This vehicle is having poor fuel consumption, and it's also taking a long time to start up. Every now and again, it shuts off at stop signs, red lights, things like that. And I did a little homework to see exactly what was going on, and it is the camshaft positioning sensor. And I'm going to show you how to replace them. All right, guys, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take off the negative battery terminal. All right. It is a 10 millimeter. Let's take that out first. Just like that. Just put that off to the side. Make sure it doesn't touch the battery. There we go. The next thing we're going to do is remove the protective cover for the motor. Yeah. As you can see, it has 4 areas where it pops onto the top of the motor. Let's move that. All right, let's get close to it. All right. So right here on the top side of the motor, you have camshaft positioner A, and then back here, you have camshaft positioner B. All right. Now, what you want to do is remove these in pairs so that they wear evenly. You want them to wear evenly. So I would replace both, but you can replace the one that's on the code. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to remove them. The first one here, you have a 10 millimeter nut here. All you do is disconnect this connector, just push down on it and pull it out. Let's see if I can get this loose. Push down, just like that. You just push down on it right here. See that? You push down on it and pull off. And this right here is just a rubber seal. It just slides back up into this part right here. All right. So let's put this to the side. So we're going to go ahead and take this loose. Put the 10 miller on. Break it loose. Like that. And then you can wiggle it back and forth. Just like that. And there you go. That is camshaft positioner A. And then we're going to do B also. All right, so we got the second one off, the B one, and we're going to take that one out too. Take the 10 middle. Okay. Pull the nut out. And same with this one, wiggle it back and forth until you get it out. And there's B. Now all you have to do is take your new ones, make sure that they look exactly like this. Both of them are the same part number. So you can just buy 2 of the same ones. They're exactly the same. But you just take your new ones, because I don't have the new ones yet. Take the new ones, put it back down in the hole, push down on it. Same way with the A one. Take it, push it back down in the hole until it kind of snaps. You're going to take the 10 millimeter bolt for A, and you're going to take the one for B, just like that. And then we're just going to run them down. All right, let's tighten them down and make the electrical connection. Make sure you hear that pop noise. And then make that electrical connection. All right, so let's go ahead and put the protective cover back on. And then make sure we put the negative battery terminal back on. And that is it. That is how you replace your A and B camshaft sensors on a 2019 Hyundai Elantra SE. All right, guys, J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.